Well, good morning, everyone. It's been a while. It's Sunday morning. 44 degrees out. I don't know what the date is. Don't really care. Has to be, well, it's daylight savings, so that'll give you an idea where we're at. So, got a little bit of tractor work to do today. I redid all this yesterday. Remember, how to do a trench. I don't know if I filmed that though. But first and foremost, yep, God bless our troops. Every single one of them. So, still no babies. Waiting for I Don't Care and Rita to drop their little babies. You can see them down there. I think that's Cannon that's just standing up. So they're being lazy. Yeah, kind of an uneventful week. I did, without showing you guys, sorry. Excuse me. I had to move that shed because the poo was just, let's just say it was blown up in there, and it was awful. So I had to move that shed and scrape some of it out, because it was some bad stuff, let me tell you. So look at that range. Yeah. Yep. She's a beauty today. Just a slight breeze. Yesterday the wind was cranking. It was a beautiful day, but the wind was just cranking. And you know me and wind, we don't mix well. So I'm gonna get the tractor warmed up. I'll take you down to the loafing shed. We gotta, and I'll show you when we get down there, but I scraped all that poo away from where the shed was and kind of piled it up. But I had to put the bucket on the tractor to get it the rest of the way. And then Mount Vesuvius, which is down further. I'm gonna go ahead and bring that up and mix all that poo together. Make one big poo pile. So anyway, oh, and I had to work on this yesterday too. The hydrostatic transmission was, there's linkage and I think I filmed it a while ago, but there's linkage in there that there's a rough startup. There's linkage in there when I drive the tractor a lot that'll start to unscrew itself, and when it unscrews itself, it'll either go forward really well and not backwards, or backwards really well and not forward. So you gotta neutralize that whole thing. So I tightened it up, put some Loctite on it. We'll see if it works. So anyway, got a few things to grab. Hold on. Alright, so I'm just following these numbnuts down. This is I Don't Care. Things to look for right before they birth is the udder in the back. See how she's filling out. Let me try to get her on this side. Can't really tell, but yeah, her udder is getting bigger. What that means is she's actually dropping milk for the baby. So, and then at the rear end here, I won't show you that much. Usually there's a clear discharge, and there's stuff there. So, and this is Rita, the other one that we're waiting on. Hi, girl. And she's bagged up a little bit, but nothing like I don't care. So if they're anything like Loretta and Emmy, they're usually like a week apart. So yeah, anyway, I hope it's not in the middle of the night again, but I hope to catch that and, you know, share that opportunity with you guys. But see this cool stuff that Teresa bought them and I screwed them on there. Oh wait, yeah, they bust everything. Some on that side, but the shed was right here. There, now you can probably hear me well. But this pile was all the poo and pee-pee and whatever else they could drum up. Yeah, that was all inside there. So with all this, you see how this is like poo central. This is where they spent the majority of their winter, and that was by design, actually, because well, because of the babies. I didn't want them, you know, way down there trying to figure life out. So anyway, I'm gonna scrape this up a little bit. We're gonna get this mounted up. That down there is a beaten down Mount Vesuvius. The cows, and you'll see, when there's a pile, and it doesn't matter what the pile is, they want to be on top of it. I don't know why, but cows are just weird that way. So let's get to it. And that tractor is like riding a horse. Get all crampy and stuff. So I got piles everywhere. There. So I've been doing that with the tractor. This spot isn't that bad, but it's where I've fed them. And if I feed them more than once or twice in the same spot, then it gets really, well, like that. That's mostly hay, some poop, mostly hay. So you gotta, how do they say it? Take the shit with the sugar when it comes to cattle, because they're gonna waste it. And just by kind of looking at it, maybe 2 round bales total, maybe. So that's, you know, if you're looking at like 200 to 250 a round, you know, you're looking at probably $500 or less of waste. You know what? It's farming, so what do you do? So I think I'm gonna scrape this little area up here. The dogs have been champs. They're tired. Are you tired? Yeah. We might scrape this little part up and call it good. And then get online, get a burn permit real quick, and then heck, if the wind stays this way, I think I might head down to the station, grab a rig, and start this crap on fire, literally. So yeah, sorry I didn't video it. I'll video this one just so you guys can see how fun it is. Okay, hold on. Well, they're all lit. They are all smoking and lit. They're not burning very well, but that's all right. At least the majority of the dead stuff will be burnt up, and then I'll just spread the rest around. No big. So I just started those 2 over there. They look like they're out of control, don't they? Yeah, so now that everything's lit, put the fuel away and sit in the truck and have an ice cold Coca-Cola. I brought iced coffee too, so I don't know which one I'll have. Probably both. So yeah, that is what is on the agenda for the next little bit. After this, go back down, take the truck, refill everything, and tuck it away, grab the Jeep, and head back up. And I think my day's finished after that. So anyway, anything exciting happens, I'll turn you back on. Sitting here with my crew, Ellie and Billy. We're fighting fires, aren't we? Yeah. Billy's not sure what to think of fires yet. She likes campfires. She doesn't know about these kind of fires, but today. We're probably halfway done with them burning up, so hopefully not too much longer, and then I'll take these yahoos. Oh, thank you. Take these guys back inside. Teresa's home now, so they can visit with Mom. So, yeah. Anyway, yeah. There's the wind. We're kind of hoping the wind had died down, but no such luck. Teresa's home today. So that's where I found the other two the other day. Those ducks are just weird. Anyway, it is a nasty day here. Last time I looked a few minutes ago, it was 44 degrees, minus the wind chill. You can see the flagpoles. I think we're sustained at like probably 17 miles an hour. Hold on a sec, I gotta hook the hoses up. So yeah, we are just doing chores real quick. And then getting inside. Teresa has some work to do for the fire department. And well, I'm probably gonna put together a video. Hello, chickens. What say you? They're afraid of the camera. So yeah, the piles of poo slash hay are still burning down there. I just left them going through the night. Looks like the knotheads are ready for some more hay, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, not gonna be outside much today, I don't think, but get you set up and we'll start the whole process. Hold on. There, that's a little better. Hey, look. Oh yeah, breakfast. Have you guys ever had one of those days where nothing goes right? Today's starting out that day. I replaced the GoPro battery with one that's dead. So hopefully my day will get better from here. So anyway, I had to go change the battery, but I got to show you Teresa's pockets. The ducks are going to town as far as laying eggs. You gotta look at this. She has a whole pocket full of eggs in that one.
This one's really full.
And a whole pocket full of eggs in that one.
I didn't even count. I lost count.
Probably, I'm gonna guess 10 to 12. But that was in there, that breakfast I just showed you. That's like a quiche thing. I know my buddy Josh doesn't think, well, it's really not quiche. Sorry, Josh. You're right. I'm not. But Mom always used to make this for us when we were kids. Just mix a bunch of eggs together. And I put in some Rotel tomatoes, some jalapenos, and some cheese. Mix it all up, and then you bake it. So, yeah. What do we got here? Hey, use the big tank, you idiot. That's for the babies. Good Lord. Gotta teach these cows everything. No. That's for the babies. Oh, you're such a doofus. Here they all come. You guys know why they're coming up here, right? It's not because they're friendly. Well, they are friendly. They're hungry. They want me to give them another Bailey, which I probably will. So, these babies. Here comes I don't care. Look at how wide she is. You need to hurry up and have that baby, girl. You're gonna burst into your seams. Look at you. Look how big you are. There's Charlie. Lucy is right there. Hi, Lucy. Yep. Anyway. Yeah. Regular day here on the farm. So I'll set you guys up. You guys can watch us walk around and do aimless things. Actually, we're watering, so hang tight. Where's your baby? Huh? Where's your baby? Yeah, I know. You're loud and obnoxious. You'll come see me, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Halfway done. God bless our troops. Do that every day. You betcha. Hey, you guys, it's starting to snow now, which is pretty cool. It won't stick, but going up to do the cats now, huh?
Yeah.
She has her cat hat on. Can you meow? Meow. Oh, uh-oh. Mean cat. Mean cat. All right, I got to get the forks on the tractor and take a bale down to him. You want me to carry that, baby? Oh, she's got her, guys. I tried. Let's get on the tractor. We're just out here watching them eat. Like another YouTuber says over in New York, He has Dexter cows. There's something about watching cows eat and listening to them eat. It's like, well, it's cool. It's pretty brain numbing. And some days that's exactly what you want. So plus we can get to the babies here. You're fine, Loretta. Babies. Well, the babies won't come to me, but the dog sure will. Not really. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, let's not forget about this one. This one here, everyone. Our little brown cat. Always trying to start something up with Ellie. Alright. It's actually not too bad right here. I gotta take the tractor up to the other side, grab the rake, field rake, harrow, and bring it by the barn. We got stuff to do here coming up shortly, so hang tight, we'll go do that. There we are. Oh, we're gonna sneak up on Billy and get the ball. Ah, you got it. Here. Sit. Hold still. Give. She's a duck dog, won't give anything up. And there we have it. Turn the water off, we're done for the day. So, hope you guys have a good week, and we will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.